The house had been in Joshua's family for more than 80 years. His father owned it and his father before that. When Joshua inherited it, he also inherited the problem, a failing septic system with a collapsed tank. A full replacement, not a repair. And he didn't have the capital to fund it. This is how he moved forward anyway. The septic tank walls had collapsed. That alone was a major expense, and it was just the most urgent item on a list that had grown long over decades of deferred maintenance. A traditional listing was never going to work. Lenders won't finance a home with a non-functioning septic system, which means most buyers can't purchase it even if they want to. Joshua needed a different path. Joshua found Travis Buys Homes and explained everything plainly: the property, the septic failure, and exactly what he needed. A fair cash offer, a leaseback period to sort his belongings, clean-out assistance, and zero closing costs. Every single one of those provisions went into the contract. Travis's team made a cash offer that accounted for the failing septic as is, no repair contingencies, no conditions. Joshua signed the contract. The home sold as his failing septic and all. He paid nothing before or at closing. He had time to transition out without pressure. And for the first time in a long time, the path ahead felt clear. 80 years of family history weren't betrayed by the sale. It was honored by making a thoughtful decision on terms that actually worked. If you're in a similar situation, a few things matter. A failing septic system stops conventional sales cold. Lenders require a passing inspection. Cash buyers don't. Outstanding liens and taxes on an inherited property are paid from sale proceeds at closing. You don't need to bring money to the table. And leaseback periods, clean-out assistance, and zero closing costs are all negotiable, but you have to ask for them up front, and they need to be in writing. We buy houses in Rock Hill, Charlotte, and across South Carolina, any condition, any situation, any repair issue. No repairs required, no agent fees, no closing costs to you. Go to travisbuyshomes.com and fill out the short form. We'll have a no-obligation cash offer back to you within 24 hours. Whatever the property has going on, we've seen it, and we can help.